I cut the coilovers a little bit.
So bad.
Right, after some modifications, at least two bolts fit, so I'm just gonna tighten them up quick and put a wheel on. Holy crap, I'm so excited. Man, it looks so good. I mean, it's sketchily done right now, but like I said, the spacers are coming like any day now, but I just couldn't wait. Oh man, one side is higher than the other. I think I do have a coilovers on it, like a cheap ones, so actually they're similar. So now I think I'm on the front end, I'm gonna put this style of rim on it with a 2-inch spacer, just to kind of balance the car out and see how it looks from there. But so far I'm just in love. Right, so car is on its own weight. I have sketchily made spacers while I'm waiting for other ones to come in, but I just can't wait. The car looks so good, and one of the viewers actually showed me a picture of how he did his exhaust in order to avoid cutting spare wheel space. So I might do that, but most likely I'm not gonna keep stock engine in the car, because having a wide body and aggressive look and car being slow, I don't know if I want that. But I'm not sure what I'm gonna do with the engine yet. But the other thing, if you guys have a suggestion on the color, because I will be repainting car and I'm not sure which color I'm gonna put a poll right over here somewhere in the corner. So if you guys are gonna go and vote, it's gonna be like, I'm gonna put a couple different colors, but if you have suggestion on the color, just comment below and I'll consider it. But it's obviously not, I don't think I'm gonna do original colors. It's gonna be something different, but thinking about like more yellow or red or blue. I always had black cars, so I'm just kind of tired of it. So you go ahead and vote and let me know which color you guys think I should do, or comment below. And right now I'm gonna go home and work on the front bumper, because I need to put the body kit piece on the bumper yet, so that's gonna be next. Alright, so I'm back in the garage from a little test drive, and right now, like I said, I'm gonna start working on the bumper on the car. Probably try to lower a rear end and the front end a little bit more. Basically, the car's getting close. All it needs just like final touches here and there. I'll try to make it all in one video, so it's not as boring maybe next time. Like bundling some pinholes and fixing that bumper and here and there, and it'll be ready for paint soon. So yeah, right now I'm gonna start on the bumper, put those little bumper pieces on both sides and make it all nice. But other than that, everything's getting pretty close, so super happy with the car, how it turns out right now. Alright, so a little update. I've been playing around with those, and you see me jumping back and forth, and I just can't decide which way I want to install them. Basically, they all fit differently, but like this one, for example, is made a little bit better. So around the corner over here, it actually fits pretty good. Which is if you go on the other side, over here. And you make it nice and tight right here. It has a huge gap just because it's really warped. So I'm trying to find the best way to put them on in the same way, and I think I come up with a plan. I might make this piece a trim over here and go all the way over here. Just to delete this, and this is actually going to be right against the bumper then, and probably delete these, or I don't know, maybe not, we'll see. But yeah, this is the plan. I'm probably gonna jump around a little bit more, try to decide what I want to do, so just bear with me. Alright, so this is how I bolt it on. Basically, this is all going to be right against the bumper, and I can play around with the gap later when I adjust the bumper, but basically there's a gap like this right now, and there's play in it. So what I'm going to do right now, I'm going to heat it up with a heat gun right over here, and maybe like this whole area basically, and then it should melt enough to flex right in it. So that's the plan for now, and then we'll see how it turns out. Alright, so the heat trick worked. It's a little bit better, but I could do a little bit more yet. And then I put this piece on just to see how it's gonna look, and I'm gonna extend this piece a little bit inside so it doesn't look as crappy as this, and extend this piece to match this body line. So extend this, and other than that, it's decent. Looks pretty good in my opinion. So now I'm gonna do the other side quick. I'm so excited. But yeah, whole front end is basically together. I had to heat this up again, and then it doesn't line up here yet, but basically I'll think of something to just bring it. All it needs to be just a tiny bit, so I'll figure something out. But I just think it looks so good, and I already did the steering test. It's close, but you can do it. And if I keep going, I think we got it. And if I go the other side quick, I don't hear anything, but let me see. I guess it cleared. Yeah, it's definitely gonna clear. So the body kit's officially fully on, besides gluing it. I guess I shouldn't say it's on because it's not glued yet. But that's gonna be probably the next thing I'm gonna do, if I have enough glue. Because I had some over here. I think I do have some. This tip is definitely bad, but I can just take it off and glue it. And yeah, I don't know if I'll have time to glue it in this video, but I definitely wanna try to lower the back a little bit more, because this is just unacceptable. There's a freaking huge gap. But yeah, I'll try to do that next. Right now, quick lower the coilovers in the back, maybe lower a little bit in the front, even though it's not too bad. But I'm in love how this car is turning out so far, and I just think it looks so good. Yeah, this huge gap here too. But I'm so excited. I just can't wait until it's all painted, which is not gonna be too far from here. But anyway, let's work on the rear coilovers right now. Alright, so what I did, I just took this rings out of the coilover, out of the spring part, and it still almost didn't do any difference, just a little bit. So I think I just have to cut it a little bit, the coil. Actually, I might need more spacer, I don't know. But yeah, I think I'm gonna cut the coil right now quick. Alright, so I cut the coilovers a little bit, just one ring out of them, and it looks really good now. But that's probably a temporary thing. I'm probably gonna order some better springs in the back, just the spring itself that's smaller, so I don't have to do the sketchy stuff. But I just wanted to do it just to see how it's gonna look lowered. Anyway, now it actually sits super low. Again, I'm gonna probably change the suspension anyway, but the whole car is coming together nicely. Anyway, so I'm exhausted. It was a lot of work today. It might not seem like it, but it was a lot. The whole car is basically getting there. Anyway, I just can't get over how good the car looks, and it's gonna be it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this little video that I got for you. I'm gonna go edit it now and post it probably either Monday, which is tomorrow, or sometime. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed. Thanks for watching. If you're new, consider subscribing. It motivates me. All the comments that you guys say, they motivate me a lot, and I do appreciate you guys comment. Again, suspension sketchy, I know. Probably gonna order some different springs, but yeah. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.